Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Framer forms to store submissions in Airtable step by step clearly. To enable Framer forms to store submissions in Airtable, begin by logging into your Framer account. Navigate to the project where your form is located. Ensure you have a Framer form already set up. Select the form element in your project. In the right-hand panel, locate the Settings section for the form. Scroll down to the Submission settings. Choose the option to connect to an external service. From the list of integrations, select Airtable. You will need to enter your Airtable API key. To get your API key, log into your Airtable account. Click on your account icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Account. Copy your API key from the Account Settings page. Return to Framer and paste the API key into the appropriate field. Next, you will need the ID of the Airtable base you want to use. Open the Airtable base and find the base ID in the URL. The base ID typically appears after /app in the URL. Copy the base ID and return to Framer. Paste the base ID into the corresponding field in Framer. Now, specify the table name where you want the form submissions to be stored. Ensure the table name matches exactly with the one in Airtable. For each form field, map it to the corresponding field in Airtable. This ensures that data from your form flows correctly into your Airtable base. After mapping, check your settings for any additional customizations. Save your changes in the Framer settings. It's a good idea to test the form to ensure everything works. Preview your project and fill out the form. Submit the form and check your Airtable base. You should see the submission recorded in the table you specified. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.